Okay, so I'm going to show you how to convert these Windows installation files that we've extracted from an ISO and put in an answer file and put in your custom WIM file. We're going to convert this back to an bootable ISO file. So we're going to need a ADK tool to do this. You need to have ADK installed on your system. Go to the start menu. My ADK is in Windows Kits and it's this one, deployment and imaging tools. Let's run this as administrator. Right, it is. So you can't use this in as command. It doesn't work. It has to be in this environment. So it's set up for that. So the command that we're gonna use, I'm just gonna copy it here from notes. Let's see. Ooh. Let's copy that. Okay, a little error there in my path. Let's just try it again. Jesus, at last. Let's go. Okay, so you can see the Win ISO file appearing here, so it's just busy converting it. And it's done! You can close this. And there's the ISO. So now you can do what you want with it. Put it on a flash drive. Put it in a virtual machine. And so on.